Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are exploring IMP GameFi, a Telegram-based instant RPG mini game built on the Ton blockchain, designed for players who want transparent gameplay, strategic competition, and easy access without entry barriers. So in this video, I am going to explain what is GameFi and what is the core gameplay experience, its withdrawal and exchange transparency. Each and every detail will be discussed in this video. It does not represent financial advice, investment guidance, or guaranteed outcomes. Always do your own research before participating in any blockchain based platform. Let's discuss it in details. So first of all, here you can see the IMP GameFi Telegram chat group. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join it, and here you can also see the IMP GameFi Discord. You are invited to join this, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to join it on Discord. And here you can see IMPG GameFi on Twitter. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter handle of the IMPG GameFi. Dear viewers, IMPG GameFi brings real-time GameFi directly into Telegram, combining classic RPG style decision making with decentralized verification. Every game results is generated and verified using Ton blockchain hash values, ensuring transparency, fairness, and immutability. There's no mandatory deposits, making it accessible for anyone who wants to explore blockchain gaming at their own pace. And you can also check out details about core gameplay experience. The gameplay is very simple. Here you can also check out IMPG GameFi Telegram channel, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to join this Telegram channel. And this is IMPG GameFi Telegram bot. In this bot you can join and you can check out the core gameplay experience. Viewers, I am going to play the game. Here you can see that we have stepped into the IMP GameFi Web3 adventure world where fast, fair, and fantastically fun instant mini games are waiting for us, and we can dive into the battles that finish under a minute. No strings attached, jump in or out whenever we like. First of all, we will have to connect our wallet. Here you can see that we will have to connect our Ton wallet. Dear viewers, here you can check out VIP Pass, unlock VIP benefits and maximize your rewards. VIP benefits 49 for enhancements, stones automatically claim 7 per day. And here you can also check out that original price was $10, but you can get it within just 1 US dollars, and it's a limited time offers. Here you can also check out that you can unlock VIP benefits, and you can check out for the 7 day just 1 US dollars. For 14 days you can check out 118.8%, and for the 30 days 1924%. IMP GameFi allow free participants through its gem systems. Players can earn gems without spending anything by completing daily tasks, checking in regularly, and inviting friends. Referral rewards scale with activity, and additional bonuses unlock when invite users reach gameplay milestones or activate features like the mining pool. Gems can be used to participate in games. Gems can be obtained through daily quests and inviting friends and mining and many more. Here you can also check out the starter pack. 190% value, 100 coins, and 210 IMP, and just for 0.99 US dollars, it means 1 US dollars approximately. Here you can see that the daily tasks are in as under: complete the following game sessions to earn rewards. First one is number games played gold, and here you can also see the second task, number games played on go. And here you can see that for first you must have coins and gems, and here you can also check out other details of daily task. Here you can also check out the social task. You can complete the following game sessions to earn rewards: join IMP GameFi Discord, join the IMP GameFi channel, and visit the channel and interact. Join the IMP GameFi group. Follow on Twitter IMP GameFi and like and repost about it on Twitter and grab the awards like gems and coins you can get. And here you can also check out the partner details. You can check out earn ton for completing the simple tasks. You can check out these tasks and you will have to complete it daily tasks. Here you can check out the ranking system. Dear viewers, you can check out mining pools, core features. Here you can also check out daily and daily rankings. Here you can also check out the weekly ranking. Here you can also check out the monthly ranking, and you can check out the names of the players and their achievements and their rewards they got. You can check out here. You can check out that Lamb has achieved highest position in a limited time Christmas event. Boost all reward by 3 times, offering a seasonal opportunity to accumulate more gems through normal gameplay. Christmas Carnival event to close out the year. IMP GameFi is running a Christmas Carnival featuring a 10-day mission countdown. Participants can unlock special chests, earn boosted invited rewards, collect points toward a large prize pool, and receive IMP tokens airdrops, all by staying active throughout the event period. Viewers players can collect cards through lotteries, exchanges, or in-game purchases. Each card has a shield value that reduces potential losses during gameplay. Cards can be upgraded using enhancement stones and activated with IMP tokens, allowing players to customize their risk management strategy. You can recharge your account. Here you can see that for 300 coins the price is 3 US dollars, and for 600 price is 6 US dollars, and for 129,800 the price is 1298 US dollars. Here you can top up using star and ton are supported, and you can recharge your account in this way. IMP GameFi allows free participants through its gem system. Players can earn gems, and here you can see the gameplay is simple, fast, and highly engaging. Players choose one of the 8 rooms and enter the game. If you successfully escape the IMP's pursuit, you share rewards collected from unsuccessful players distributed according to each participant's bet ratio. All outcomes are verifiable on chain, and a competitive leaderboard system adds an extra layer of excitement, rewarding consistent participation and strategic play. Dear viewers, IMP GameFi offers a unique blend of instant gameplay, blockchain transparency, and flexible participation options within Telegram. Whether you explore free play, competitive leaderboards, or mining features, the platform is structured to reward consistency and engagement. If this overview helped you understand how IMP GameFi works, feel free to like and share the video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.